Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In this video, I am going to explain you about laminated object manufacturing system. In this video, we will see about components of LOM system, its working, its advantages and limitations, and its applications. So let's begin. Friends, laminated object manufacturing is a solid-based rapid prototyping system. In this process, a thin sheet or laminate, which of plastic, metal or ceramic, coated with adhesive on one side, is used as a material. Here friends, this is a laminate or material. One side is coated with adhesive, that is this lower side. As you can see, this lower side is coated with adhesive. Here friends, now components of laminated object manufacturing system. First is here system computer, then control unit. Here it is optical scanning system. This one, it is a laser beam which is of CO2, and it is here it is this one, this roller is heated press roller, and here this is sheet metal. Here it is, this one is build platform, this is supply roll, and this is here take up roll. These are the blocks, and this is layer contour. This is a first layer of a object which we have to make. And tiles, cross hatch, these are the tiles, these cross hatches. Here friends, this supply roll supplies the material to the machine from this direction, as you can see, and goes to the take up roll here. And here this is servo motor which lowers the build platform as per the thickness, one layer thickness of the object. Now let's see the working of laminated object manufacturing process. Here friends, these first three processes are almost common in every rapid prototyping process or system. Here, which are: the first step is the process of creation of 3D model. The second step is STL file generation, then part orientation, then checking of STL files, then transmission of STL files, and for fifth is slicing of STL model. The real part building process starts with transfer of slice for file format data to rapid prototyping machine by system computer. Now see here friends, the LOM process typically consists of three steps, which are placing the thin sheet or laminate, then second is bonding the sheet or laminate to previous layer, then third is cutting the laminate as per the slice data. Here friends, placing the sheet on the new layer, this is a new layer, this is the first layer, previous layer, and this is a new layer of the material which we are going to place with the help of a supply roller and a take up roller. Here this new material will goes from this direction to this. The previous used layer will be taken by take up roll here, and a new layer will be supplied by this supply roll. Now here friends, this heated roller rolls on the supplied material. Due to this new layer of material sticks to this previous layer. Then friends, third process is optical scanning system. Then the optical scanning system, that is our laser beam, cuts the slice layer, cut the new layer as per the slice data. Now see here friends, in LOM process, the material consists of continuous long thin sheet or laminate made of plastic, metal or ceramic, which is coated with heat activated adhesive from lower side. See here friends, in the diagram, as we have seen, this is our material, sheet material, and it is coated from lower side, that is this one, or see here, this one, from the lower side, that is this one. From this side it is coated with adhesive. Now here friends, the material is rolled up on supply roll. It passes over the build platform and finally goes to the take-up roll. The sheet is unwound from a supply roll onto the build platform. Here, this is our supply roll, and material goes from this roll to the take-up roll here through the build platform. Here this is our build platform. This is our build platform. Above that there are blocks. Now the heating press roll passes across the sheet after placing it on the build platform. Due to heat activated adhesive, the layer is bounded to the previous layer. As we have seen in this diagram, this heated roller rolls over the new layer of material, and due to this it sticks to the previous layer. Now here friends, the CO2 laser beam cuts the cross-sectional outline of the layer as per the slice data of 2D cross-section to a depth of exactly one layer thickness. The optical scanning system controls the XY motion of the laser beam. Here friends, as we have seen, optical scanning system cuts the cross section of the new layer as per the slice data of 2D cross section, and it is exactly equal to the depth of one layer thickness. Here the software then demarcates the outer perimeter. The unused material between the outer perimeter and the part boundary is hatched by laser beam using a cross hatch platform into smaller rectangular pieces called tiles. This cross hatched part acts as support during the building of the part, and it can be easily removed later once the build process is complete. Here friends, as you can see, these are hatch parts. These are the hatch parts here. These hatch parts are also called as tiles, and it acts as a support during the building process, support to the object during the building process. It can be removed after the building process is completed. Here, after cutting of one layer is complete, the build platform is lowered by a depth equal to one layer thickness. The remaining portion of sheet is wound on the take-up roll, and sheet for the next layer is supplied by the supply roll. Here friends, in this diagram, after completing the one layer, the build platform lowers with the help of servo motor, and the used material goes to the take-up roll, and new layer of material is supplied by the supply roll, and the process is repeated, whole process. Here the process is repeated until the part is completely built. Then the friends, here the last step is post processing, which includes separating of the part from its support material and finishing it. Friends, after reading advantages, limitations and applications of laminated object manufacturing process, you can easily understand them. So I am providing you notes in the description of this video. Thank you friends for watching this video. Like, share and comment for this video, and subscribe my channel. Thank you.